My name is B. Radhakrishna from 8th class A section. I want to tell a story. In the city of Ujjaini, there was a young merchant whose name is Madananka. Madananka's father was dead when he was teens. So, Madananka's mother, he brought him with a great affection and lovely. So, Madananka becoming a vagabond. So, his mother thought that if he was married, then he become normally. So, Madananka were married, but Madananka become worse. And one day, Madananka absconded from his house, deserting his mother and pregnant wife. So, his mother feel very ugly, and after some days, his daughter-in-law gave a birth to a son. His name is Ratnanka. So, his grandmother, Ratnanka's grandmother and his mother seen him with very affectionately, and he gave good habits and good education to Ratnanka. So when the Ratnanka had 10 years, then his grandmother said that, my boy, whatever we have, any little money or jewelry, we give to you, but we don't have now anything. So you want to do some business? Your father miss here with all, so you want to do some business for our livelihood. So the grandmother said that you go to in our neighbor village, there's a whose name is Yakshadatta. He was a great geniality to give borrow to poor peoples for any merchants or any things. So you go to him and explain our conditions. Please take borrow and do some business. So the following the instruction of grandmother, Ratnanka goes to Yakshadatta's house. The Yakshadatta was strolling, and that Ratnanka said that, sir, I am a poor merchant. My father deserted my grandmother, my mother and me before I born. So sir, I want some borrow, sir, because of there is a difficulty to our livelihood, and so I want to keep a business, so I want some money, sir. He said, Ratnanka said. So Yakshadatta laughed and looked around, and he saw a dead rat. The dead rat, Lomabai, take the dead rat and do some trade with that. So when a intelligence have, if I by this dead rat, you take the dead rat, who by the trading of the dead rat he become a millionaire. If unintelligent, who I give him millions, there is no use. So you do trade, and Ratnanka sometimes think and take a dead rat and goes to in market, in city market. So he sell the dead rat to a who taming the cat, and who are taming the cat, he give handful of Bengal grams to Ratnanka, and he take a handful of Bengal grams and go to home and soak it in water. Next day he had pepper, salt, and with that cold water he go to city and sat in the shade of tree and sell the Bengal grams with cool water. There are more, we know the woodcutters have very hungry and thirsty. So he gave the Bengal grams and cool water to the woodcutters, and the woodcutters give the 2 wood sticks. By this, his service was good. After some days, there is a more rain, and there is scarcity of firewood. So by the fixture of Ratnanka got 100 gold coin. By that 100 gold coin, he opened the stall of a timber, and timber to he become a cloth shop and cloth to cranes, crate to diaper, and he become a millionaire in that city. He become a good more money merchant in that city. So and that he got a golden rat of 1 kilo, and that eyes are rabbis and ears are ciphers, and it had a golden diamond neck to that rat, and that goes to Yakshadatta's home. And sir, take this, sir. This rat is a gratitude of mine, and so Yakshadatta is feel that this impressed by gratitude of Ratananka. So we can understand that by this story is that not only we want intelligence, we want gratitude also.